Why did we go with Aras? We went with Aras because largely because of the configurability of the tool. It was very easy to make the changes that we want to make and implement it according to the processes that we wish.
For me, the thing that makes it different from the other tools we looked at is the flexibility, the configurability.
The flexibility and the malleability of being able to create your own usage of PLM and not be stuck in the box. Yeah, our own box can be the way we want it to be. We can make it octagon if we want. We don't have to live in a square cube.
Build what we want. We're building stuff today. We understand that concept. We want to push that forward, and this seems to be one of the more flexible solutions to do so.
I mean, I just spoke in my presentation yesterday about the flexibility thing. I mean, the biggest thing for me and for Sonnax in general, I think, really is the ability to do what we want in the system and not be forced into, the standard path that everyone thinks we should take. We can do what we want with it, and that is huge for us.
The distinction or the unique position of Aras, in my view, is that it's adaptable, flexible. What I think the beauty of Aras is you have the option.
The platform itself is very dynamic. That's one of the reasons I really like Aras. It's very easy to go in and make changes. It's very flexible where somebody has an idea. For example, I had quality come up to me one time, and one of our other access databases, which is, we call it PSR, which is our problem-solving reporting. So it's how we control customer complaints and bring them to solution. They were wondering if that would go into Aras. So I told them, I said, well, let me look at it and get back with you. Yeah. So over the weekend, I went home and I was looking at it to see what we could do. I went into work Monday and told them, it's done, you ready to install it, and showed it to them. So yeah, when I was just looking at it, I actually went in and tweaked some things, and it's been in operation for a couple years. They just love it, and it's very simple to do.
I think the differentiations is the flexibilities, the abilities to change things quickly. I have my own development staff that is able to make changes to the tool to meet our business processes when we need, when it's needed.
Two things that differentiate Aras, specifically the first thing would be flexibility. And that's one of the major reasons why we chose it, because we are implementing in a agile fashion. So incrementally, we're doing small chunks at a time, and the flexibility is crucial for that, for us to be able to roll out a small amount of functionality and then be able to build upon that with subsequent releases.